What's good, everyone? It's MJO23Dan back with another video. Yo, so I know I'm like not really on YouTube on a regular basis as much as I would like. There is an excuse though. So I'm a very heavily involved parent. Like I have two daughters. You guys have seen the video in my last video that I did, but I hadn't featured them in the video at all for a while. And I just thought that was a really cool like little thing that they were excited to do. But yo, and then YouTube is cracking down on kids being involved in videos and all that. So I'm not going to be going into stepping into that boundary again. But yeah, that was just like once in a few lifetimes thing for me to do. But anyways, yeah, so I am heavily involved in my kids' lives right now. In the afternoons, I'm like totally booked. They have piano and karate and, homework. So I'm that parent that is there for them to do that. My wife works throughout the day as well. And then, I'm full-time committed here around the house. So, but anyways, I wanted to get in a review for you guys and show you guys what's up with this stuff coming up. Alright, so if you guys have watched my last video with Knockaround sunglasses, you guys will know Nick Engvall. So again, maybe a few days after I had shot that video, he saw the video, he thought the kids were cute and everything like that, and he decided to send me some shirts. So Sneaker History is his website, and he sent me some shirts. So the first one here is Know Your Roots. And, basically Sneaker History is what we're talking about. He's wearing the Air Jordan Concord 11s, my favorite sneaker of all time. So that's in red. And then he has this Know Your Roots shirt. And then the tag on the inside is pretty cool too. It says Sneaker History. It's pretty cool detail with the shirts. I should actually steal that idea. And then he has Sneaker History right here on the bottom portion of the shirt. So he sent this as well, and it's just a little thank you. So he says, appreciate your support as always, Marvin. Enjoy the tees, Nick. So I will, and you will probably see me wearing one of those shirts in a future video. But for now, this video, we're going to be doing a review on the Air Jordan. Alright, so this is the Air Jordan 12 Knockaround. I had picked this up, and my pickups have been pretty dry lately. If you guys have seen my shelves, I sometimes post this on Instagram and whatnot. Just a few of the sneakers that I actually pick up for the year. And that's pretty much it, it used to be that I was picking something up every single time, and money, I'm trying to cut back, right? My wife and I are thinking about paying off the majority of our debt so we can be debt free. I would like that. And so, we're not on like the rice and beans and rice like food plan, but we still eat pretty well. And it's just having to pay off a lot of student loans, a lot of credit cards, which is actually, I brought it down from, way back from, I'd say 10 to 12 credit cards, with just like a few $1,000 amounts on there to maybe just one. So, and then we've had about probably 6 student loans that we've condensed that down to about 3. So, and then our cars obviously, and then the house. So, it's a lot to think about as far as like finances are concerned. We are okay, but I think just to cut down the debts a little bit more, you're gonna see a little bit less on the pickups. Mom. So anyways, let me go ahead and show you. This is a late pickup. The Air Jordan 11 2012, and I figure I get this now before December starts rolling around because it's gonna be comparison time for me, and this is one that I did not have in the collection. I skipped out on it because I already had the 2001. So 2012, I already had the 2001. As well, hello? Um, Whatever I texted you earlier. Talk to you later. Okay, bye. Yo, that was an important phone call. When it's mom, you need to pick it up. So anyways, I don't know why I get interrupted all the time in my videos, but it happens. Anyways, so again, the 2012, I have the OG, which is right here. You guys have seen it on my Instagram. It's got the white trim, the correct direction of the Jumpman, and the higher patent cut. So this is pretty much, I guess, what we will be getting in 2019, December. But anyways, I wanted to at least attempt to get as much as I can when it comes to comparisons, because those videos for me do really well, and I want to be able to bring that to you guys to be able to do a comparison so you guys can see what the transition has been over the years from 1996 to 2001. I do still need the countdown pack, so if anybody out there has a size 10 in the countdown pack Air Jordan 11, I don't need the 12, I just need the 11 or the 2008 countdown pack. And then this one I just picked up, the 2012. This was a pickup that I didn't really care about back then in 2012. And again, it was because I have the OG and I had the 2001, but now, and I did have the countdown pack too, and I actually beat that down. And I didn't like the comfort in there. The cushioning was not even present. I'm not entirely sure about this one because I haven't tried it on at all. I have sold a pair of the 2012, not in my size, but for my cousin when he was selling off his collection maybe 2 or 3 years ago. But he's completely done with shoes. But anyways, I think his stash is gone. But yeah, I really wanted to get this one in hand. So, you know, I went through StockX. If you guys want to go through StockX, I have no problems, no issues with them. I know a lot of people have been having issues with them, data breaches and everything like that, and you guys are probably on the fence about using them again. I've followed Josh Luber throughout his career on social, especially when he had Campless. Genuine dude. I'm sure he wants to eliminate all the hate that's coming through on his channels in regards to data breaches and everything like that, but I still use them. Again, like I haven't had any issues with StockX, so if you guys trust me and you want to use them, again, you guys can follow the link down below if you guys want to purchase a pair of shoes for yourself. It doesn't even have to be this. If you guys even want to use the link that I provide down in the description and just look for another pair of shoes, like, it would kick back some money to me and, you know, help the channel out and whatever. But yeah, I will do a full comparison review come December, but I just wanted to let you guys know about this one. So I didn't have any issues with it. It was completely a dead stock. I trust like their verification system. I always look, and this is just one little gripe that I have. I'm a collector, so I like pristine things. I like the boxes to look nice. I like the shoes to like make it look like it wasn't tried on or whatnot. And, you know, like, they don't provide the pictures of the details and everything, and that's something that I voiced out to them as well, is that, you know, if you're going to be selling older models like this, there has to be some sort of way to even notate on your website that there are slight cosmetic blemishes or issues, glue stains, whatnot, because I think people are genuinely interested in that stuff, and that stuff can decrease the price significantly versus something that is more pristine. So again, like, that is one option that I hope they do. I think Goat does that, and they're probably very good with it, but I feel like Goat's prices are a little bit, or actually a lot more higher than StockX, and that could very well be the reason why. So it's just those little details that I'm always like into and concerned about. So anyways, that's it. That's the video. Thank you to StockX. Thank you to Nick Engvall of Sneaker History. You know, go cop yourself a shirt. Go follow their website. Go follow their social. They got a great podcast as well. I listen to it on my walks like every single morning. I'm actually trying to catch up. So the interviews that they've had so far have been pretty cool. So one more thing. These t-shirts, I have about 1, 2, 3, 4 more large shirts and 1 more small shirt. So for now, of what I have here, I left some on the East Coast, but my in-laws who are over there right now are going to be bringing back a majority of that stuff from consignment shop that I mess with over there at Footage Society. So if not, if I can't sell these shirts, then I'm probably going to do another giveaway. If you guys follow me on social media, I've done a giveaway for the Obsidian Jordan 1s, and this was around release time. I picked up quite a few pairs and have actually, you know, resold it, you know, obviously, so that I can get something like this. And it's not something that I, you know, like this channel, I fully invest in sneakers and what I do. So I'm not like a full-blown reseller, but if I have extra pairs, I will, you know, sell a pair, 2 or 3 or whatever, if I can get my hands on it. But it's always to benefit the collection or something for you guys to see. So if you guys mess with me, you know, cop a t-shirt, follow me on social, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, the channel, subscribe if you're not. A lot of people follow my videos and they don't subscribe, so hopefully you subscribe and help me out. That's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your support. Until next time, take care.